This is such an easy and yummy recipe, you will always make it yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS, and let's make everyone's favorite Pav Bhaji. You can take any vegetable of your choice. I'm using the very basic potato, onion, tomato, capsicum, green peas and cauliflower. You can either eyeball the quantities of each vegetable, or you can add them according to your taste, or you can just follow the measurements given in this recipe. By the way, you can also get detailed written recipe on our website, link for which is mentioned below in the description box. Now finely chop all the veggies. I am using a chopper to ease the process. You can do the same. Heat a pan and add some oil to avoid burning of butter. Now add a generous amount of butter. Here I am using the salted one. Add chopped onions and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute everything till it becomes slightly brown. Now add the spices, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and 2 tablespoon Pav Bhaji masala. As usual I am using the MTH one. Mix well everything and add the chopped veggies. Now mix and add water to boil everything nicely. Add some salt according to your taste and cover the lid and let things become soft. Mash the veggies as smoothly as possible. Squeeze in 1/4 of a lemon and mix well. Now slit a pav and toast it nice and crisp in a lot of butter. If you like, you can also sprinkle some Pav Bhaji masala in the butter to give it a bhaji-like flavor. Serve it hot and top up with some more butter. And yeah, don't forget to add some nimbu wale piyaz on the side. It tastes amazing with Pav Bhaji. Please do try the recipe and share your reviews in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel for many more amazing content. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.